Welcome to today's math lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to solve word problems. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve subtraction word problems and recall the terms used for subtraction. And for this lesson, we will use the words subtract, deduct, cut, left, difference, take away. Now, before we get started, let's recap and recall the meaning of this sign. So whenever you see this sign, it means subtract, deduct, take away, minus, and difference. Now here we go. Now count how many bears are on the tray. Use the number line to take away the right amount and find how many are left. So, are you ready to play with me? Let's play. Now, the first one. There are 6 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So let's take away 1, 2, 3, and let's use the number line to find out the answer. So I'm gonna jump backwards. Remember grade 1, when we do subtraction, we need to jump backwards because we're taking away. And for example, 6 minus 3, you're gonna start with the greater number. So I'll start jumping from the greater number. And I'm gonna jump backwards because we're doing subtraction. So I will jump backwards, starting from the greatest number, which is number 6. And how many times I will jump backwards? According to the smallest number, which is number 3. So I will jump backwards 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Let's try another one. There are 8 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave the game, how many will there be? Now let's take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now it's time to use the number line. So, as I told you, I'm going to start from the greater number, 8. And I will take away 6 bears. So I need to jump backwards 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 2. 8 bears take away 6 bears, it equals to 2 pairs. If you've guessed the answer is 2, then you're doing very well. Now, there are 5 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So now we need to take away 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. Let's use the number line. So I will start jumping from number 5 and I will jump backwards 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again, the answer is 2. 5 bears take away 3 equals to 2 pairs. If you've guessed the answer is 2, then you're doing super amazing job. Well done. Let's try this one. There are 10 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 5 bears leave the game, how many will there be? Now we need to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's find the answer using the number line. And I'm gonna jump starting from number 10. I will jump backwards 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 5. If you've guessed the answer is 5, then you're doing very well. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Now, here we have another one. There are 10 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 7 bears leave the game, how many will there be? Now I need to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to use the number line to find the answer. Remember grade 1 to use your copybook to write the number sentence and check the answers. Now, I'll start jumping from the greater number, which is number 10, and I will jump backwards 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 3. 10 minus 7 equals to 3. You've guessed the answer is 3, and you're doing a great job. Here we have another one. There are 9 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 9 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So we have 9 bears and we need to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's use the number line to find out the answer. I'll start jumping from number 9 and I will jump backwards 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0? Yes, 9 bears, take away 9 bears, it equals to 0. If your answer was 0, then you're doing very well. Now, let's try this one. There are 7 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So we need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use the number line to find the answer. And I will jump backwards, starting from the greatest number, which is number 7. I'm going to jump backwards 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 1. 7 bears, take away 6 bears. Now the answer is 1. 1 bear is left. You just need to remember grade 1, whenever we do subtraction, when you see the subtraction sign, it means you're gonna jump backwards and you're gonna count backwards. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you in the next one. And Assalamu alaikum.